Yesterday, I posted a written analysis on Nvidia saying I think there's a really good chance we're going to see $225 by the end of Q1 2026 into Q2 2026. And I said if you wanted a full breakdown that you should comment on that analysis, and many of you commented on that. So this is the video. Now in the post, I said I have a target by end of Q1 2026 for a $225 target. Reason for that is the monthly BX flipped green in June, and we're already up about 28%. Under $193 statistically is considered a discount. Worst case, I see a dip to $160 to $165 before the next leg up, which means that there's about a 30% upside in the next 90 to 100 days. And today, we actually saw a big unusual options order come through on the market, and I actually took a position. So we're gonna go over that flow. We're gonna talk about the analysis in more detail and how specifically I am playing this. If you don't know who I am, my name is Peter DiCarlo. I have grown my portfolio over $5.3 million in the past 11 years trading. I focus on a very simple two-step trading system. I don't focus on the news. I don't care about fundamentals. If my criteria is met, I very simply just take the trade. My goal with these videos is to help you learn how to trade a basic system. 90% of traders fail, but 85% of them have no system for entering and exiting a trade. And so in today's video, we're going to share with you the very basics of my trading system. If you want to get access to all of the indicators as well as the system itself, the link to our free course library will be down below. They are all in sequential order, and we actually have a whole new refresh for the strategy with new indicators and new updates coming in 2026. So go take all of these courses now before they are gone. Now, if we open up our THT trading playbook, I'm going to scroll down to the first part of our trading strategy, which is going to be using the filter of the monthly BX trender. So the monthly BX trender is this indicator at the bottom of your screen. It's basically a hybrid of a MACD and an RSI, and it shows strength in the market. The reason that we use this specific indicator is simply because if our criteria is met in the market, then it means that we are in a bullish cycle. And if we are in a bullish cycle, the truth is that we can basically do anything with our trading strategy and make money. Now, that specific criteria, or step one of our criteria, is that the monthly BX must be showing buying pressure. So what does that actually mean? Buying pressure from a definition standpoint means that it needs to be increasing or green. So basically, we don't want to trade when it is dark red, very simply. Now, if we take a look at Nvidia visually, just since 2019 till now, you will notice that anytime this indicator was either light red or any shade of green, it was a good time to be trading Nvidia long. You can see 2019 to 2021 of April, you would have had a 214% rally. You would have made a 60% profit from May 2021 up until January of 2022. You would have sat out, and this is the most important thing about the strategy, is that you would have sat out of Nvidia for close to a year while the stock crapped the bed of about 55%. You would have gotten back in, taken a small 12% loss. Then you would have rode this massive wave from February 2023 all the way up to February 2025, which was a 480% move to the upside. The basis of this filter is that we are only trading in a strong market. There's no reason to be trading while the stock is selling off. Now, if we take a look at just the monthly BX and we look at the performance of this indicator over the past 24 years, you would have made a 126,000% return on Nvidia. You would have had a 67% win rate. You would have had a max drawdown of 54%. So that means from absolute high to absolute low, your account would have had a 54% pullback, which is a lot, but the asset itself had an 87% pullback. So not only is this good for trading the upside, but it really helps to cap us on the downside. Now, the most important thing about this strategy and about this filter is the risk versus reward ratio, essentially meaning how much are we risking, how much downside do we have on average, and how much upside do we have on average? Because the name of the game here is not your accuracy. I only have a 60% accuracy if we look at my returns historically. What makes a trader so good is obviously managing risk first and foremost. But second of all, trading something that has high risk versus reward. And if we look at the risk versus reward ratio for this, it is 9.3. The average win is 147%, and the average loss is 15%. Now, just think about this, or take a coin and just bear with me. Take a coin, flip the coin 10 times. That's only a 50% win rate. But now, every time it's heads, I want you to pretend that you would have won $15,000. Every time it's tails, I want you to pretend that you would have had to pay $1,500. Flip the coin 10 times, flip the coin 20 times, flip it 100 times. You will see how strong a strategy with even a 50% win rate and a 10-to-1 RVR truly is long term. And the most important caveat to that is long term. When you're trading and you're treating this like a professional, you understand that it is a game of patterns and numbers, and there could be plenty of times that you lose multiple times in a row. But as long as you're using proper risk management and you're sticking to a true system, the long term will favor you each and every single time. If you want to learn to think in probabilities, or you want to actually just build up your psychology and think the way that professional traders think, we do have a disciplined trader course in step 2 of our free trading library down below. Now, if we actually look at Nvidia today, you're going to see that our most recent entry on that monthly BX and the most recent start to our bull cycle was back here in June of 2025. This purple line here is called the Price Behavior Explorer. It's going to take our trading strategy that we just talked about, the first filter, so step 1 of the 2-step system, and it's basically going to draw a future projected line based off of past behavior and show us where and when we think the price is going to be trading at a specific level. So you'll see that right now, December of 2025, our model or our strategy has expected Nvidia to be trading at $194. And you can actually see that as of right now, we are trading well below that. This is why when I posted this analysis, I said that really technically anything under 193 is considered a discount. And so even if you were to buy right now, set a stop loss if the monthly closes red, doesn't turn red, but the monthly BX actually closes red, which would probably be January to February, you're buying at a discount. Now, in that analysis, I also said that worst case scenario, I would expect a pullback to maybe 150 or 165. Now, the main reason for that is that we have a gap on the volume profile. For any of you who use the volume profile indicator that we teach within our courses, you know that if we break support, so if we were to break $170, normally we will fill these volume profile gaps. So if 170 breaks, I would expect a sell-off to $140 to $150. But the thing to remember is that we could very easily see a pullback down to 140 or 150, and we could see buyers step in at that discount range and then push the stock back up within the next 3 months to our target. The thought behind this is really, do you want to be looking to get in now, or would you rather be waiting until later? The problem with waiting until later is later might not happen. What if price doesn't pull back? What if price just continues to rally? This is where I like to think in probabilities, and there's a couple of ways before we get to the big unusual options order that came through as to how I look at this. The first way that you can play this is that I would take my planned position sizing, which I promise you is not the entire portfolio. Like if we look at most of my positions, they're anywhere between 2, 3, 4% of my portfolio. But I would take the max position sizing that you really want. In my case, it's normally about about $150,000. And what I would do is break up my planned position sizing across 2 buy orders. So the way that I would really be looking at this is going in with half of my position right now, and then saving the other half if we pull back to $140,000. I'm sorry, to $140. The reason for this is because if price just bounces right now, at least we have some upside. It's only half of a planned position, but even a 30% move on half of my planned position sizing is still really good. And worst case scenario, if price does continue to sell off, I have some capital or dry powder to average down with. Now, I did end up taking a small position in my unusual whale fund today because number 1 of this technical setup that we just talked about, but number 2, because we saw a big order come through in the options market. Now, if you want to learn about unusual options activity, how to read them, exactly what this means, then you can take the free course once again in the course library under step 4, options flow mastery. An options flow is very simply just a cadence of orders that hit the market that are extremely unusual. Now, if we go to the THT heat map and the student portal, which all of our Discord community members get access to this, they can see not only my real-time holdings, my weekly watch list, but also see all of the unusual options flow that I personally pick, right? I make sure that all of this is actually picked by me. You'll see that I did take a position today. I bought Nvidia January 15th, 2027 calls. You'll also see that this fund so far is up 107%. Now, if we scroll down to the Alpha Gold Flow section, I can actually search for Nvidia, and you will see that the only flow alert that we have had happened today. You'll see that it was a strike price of $160, expiration 1/15/2027. So what that means is because it's 2027, they're probably expecting a breakout over the next 6 to 12 months. Well, if we look at our monthly setup that we just talked about, we would be expecting a move in the next 3 to 6 months up to 230 and the next 6 to 12 months up to $300, which lines up with the same exact time frame in which these individuals are looking to buy as well. You will notice that there is 3,337 volume. Now with this flow, you will also see the strike price is $160, which means that it is already in the money. And a lot of you might be thinking, well, why would they go with something that's so far in the money if they're expecting price to move up maybe to the 200s or 300s? The main reason is, number one, this is probably an institution or a hedge fund that is actually planning to execute this order and get assigned the shares at $160. The second thing is that when you're trading with a huge amount of money, these institutions are not stupid. They're not going to go buy something that's ridiculously out of the money and just watch theta decay burn their position. So this is actually a good sign in my opinion. Now you can see within the flow analysis that I posted for my internal and private team, I said $14.89 million in calls hit. Monthly BX, which is what we're going over right now, is showing a bullish cycle. Monthly BX models pricing a move to 300 by end of October into August, and this would make these deep in the money. This flow lines up with our technicals, so I'll take the trade. And that's it. I'm currently in these calls. It is not a part of my main fund, so it's a very small position. This portfolio right now is only a couple $100,000 relative to the main fund, which is like 4.5. And I'm just going to continue to take this trade. If price continues to sell off to 150 bucks, I'll go ahead and I will average a little bit into it. But I'm just going to allow this trade to breathe. At the end of the day, I say it all of the time, but the goal is not to always be right. The goal is to have a system, a reason for entering, a reason to exit. And our system right now says that Nvidia is most likely going to continue to move up to $225 to $250 into the first half of 2026. Thank you guys and girls for all of the support. Check out all of our free courses, as I said, and free indicators. Link is in the description. And if you are somebody who has been trading for over a year and you want to trade with me and my private team each and every single day, the link to our Discord community is down below. You not only get access to myself and get access to all of my real-time trade alerts, but you'll also get access to our student portal and all of the tools in it, and more importantly, access to over 2,000 other students who are not only trading the same system as you, but who also take trading as seriously as I do. The link to the Discord community will be down in the description.